Understanding Recycling Programs, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important and highly relevant topic, recycling programs. Understanding this concept is not only beneficial for enhancing your English vocabulary but also for gaining insight into environmental conservation efforts worldwide. So, let's embark on this learning journey together and explore what recycling programs are all about. Recycling programs are organized efforts to collect, process, and repurpose materials that would otherwise be considered waste. These programs play a crucial role in reducing the amount of garbage sent to landfills, conserving natural resources, and protecting the environment. Materials such as paper, glass, plastic, and metals can be recycled and turned into new products. By participating in recycling programs, communities and individuals help minimize pollution and support sustainable development. The process of recycling involves several key steps. 1. Collection and sorting. This is the first stage where recyclable materials are collected from homes, businesses, and public collection points. These materials are then sorted by type, a crucial step for the next phase of recycling. 2. Processing. Once sorted, the materials are cleaned and processed into a form that manufacturers can use to create new products. For example, paper is pulped, and plastics are melted down. 3. Manufacturing. The processed materials are then used to manufacture new products. This could range from recycled paper for notebooks to plastic bottles being turned into clothing fibers. 4. Purchasing recycled products. The cycle is completed when consumers buy products made from recycled materials, supporting the recycling economy and encouraging more recycling. Recycling programs offer numerous benefits, including conserving natural resources. By recycling, we reduce the need to extract new raw materials from the earth. Saving energy. It often requires less energy to create products from recycled materials than it does to make them from new materials. Reducing pollution. Recycling helps cut down on greenhouse gas emissions and water pollution, contributing to a cleaner, healthier planet. Supporting the economy. Recycling programs can create jobs in the recycling and manufacturing industries, boosting the economy. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and workings of recycling programs. Remember, by understanding and participating in these programs, we're not just improving our English skills but also contributing to a healthier planet for future generations. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.